Any doubt from yesterday's session? Anyone is struggling to answer the? Anyone got confused? Any doubt from yesterday's session?
No.
Everyone, how many of you have not done practice for yesterday's session? Can you raise your hand? May I know the name of 873916? Can I know the name? Eight 873916. Can you tell me the name? Please join with your name next time. Next class when you will join, no, join with your name. Don't join with the numbers, mobile number and all. It will be easy for me to take your name. So today we are going to discuss about DDL command. So yesterday we have seen that how to create a new table. Okay, and these are the things we have discussed. So any doubt in creating a table, guys? Jafar?
Hello, sir. It's
Yeah.
me who joined, Anurupa.
Okay, Abhi. So when you will
This is
join
my
next
first class. I
time?
joined with my iPhone. Maybe that's the reason.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe my next class I will
Sure,
contact
sure.
with me.
No worries, no worries.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, yesterday we discussed how to create tables. Any doubt in this? Anyone? How many of you have not done practice? Raise your hand. Anyone is struggling to create tables?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, Jafar, what is the question? Or anyone? Okay, hopefully people are not responding, means you don't have any problem how to create tables. Okay, so we'll move to the next table. Okay, so just read this one and then I'm going to explain you. Next topic means, so just read this and then I'm going to explain you what is drop command. So drop command is a part of your DDL4 command, guys. So today we are going to discuss drop command and then further alter and truncate. So what are the things we are going to discuss? Yesterday, we have seen how to create new tables in the database. Today, we are going to see remaining 3 topics from the DDL command. Okay, so just read this one. I'm going to explain you this one, drop command. Done, guys. Reading is done. Drop command.
Yes, yes. Yes, it is done.
So yesterday we have created a new table using create command. Okay, and if you'll see the database, so we have few tables like let me refresh it. So we have few tables where you'll be able to see like select a star from table A. Okay, table A is having some data. So like this. Okay, so some one column is there and some 6 values are there in this table A. So what drop command will do, no? What drop command will do? Drop is used to delete both the structure and the record stored in the table. So what is the meaning of a structure? structure and the record which is available in the table. So if you want to delete permanently, the table structure as well as the data, then you'll use drop command. Drop table name is the syntax. If you want to drop a new table, if you want to drop any created table from the database, you will use drop table name. So what will happen if you use drop command? This structure, whatever the columns will be there, and whatever the data will be there, it will be deleted. It will be deleted permanently. Now, if you'll see the structure of the table A, you will see that one column is there in this. One column is there. One column is there, and some 6 values are there in this one. Okay. So if you use drop command, then it will delete both table data as well as the structure of the table. A structure also will be deleted, data also deleted from the table, and you will not able to retrieve it back. It will be deleted permanently only. It will be deleted permanently. This table will be deleted permanently. So a drop statement in SQL removes a component from a relational database management system. Okay, from a relational database management system, guys. So what is this relational database management system? It's nothing but database only. In database, this whatever the database you have, like Oracle SQL, Microsoft SQL and all, that is called in other way relational database management system, RDBMS. Other name of this database is nothing but RDBMS. So if you want to delete a table permanently, you will use drop command, and you cannot retrieve it back. Means rollback is not possible in this case. Rollback means you cannot roll it back, like how you are updating in Excel, Word document, and you are doing Control Z. If you will do Control Z, it will go to the back stage where you have updated. Consider that you are updating here like this, Jan. And if you'll make it Control Z, this will be deleted. This will go in the back. But when you use drop command, no, the changes, whatever you have made it, if you have deleted the table, you cannot retrieve it back. You cannot retrieve it back, guys. So that is the drop command. So drop table name is the syntax. This is just an example for how to drop the table. Now, if I want to drop a table, if I want to delete the table A, so what we have to write, guys? Can you help me?
Drop table
Drop
table.
Table
Name.
customer.
Table name.
So what will happen if I'll run this query? This will be deleted completely. A structure and the data will be deleted permanently, and you cannot retrieve it back. Okay. Now I'll show you if I'll run it. Now see, table A is dropped. Table A is dropped. Now you see here. Can you see? Table or view does not exist. This table is not there because we have deleted it. Table A is dropped, and we don't have data, or a structure is not there. It's still a structure is not there. It's gone. A structure also not there. Object A does not exist. So this is the meaning of drop table. So as example, we'll take another table. Okay. Another table. Let's take it as a B. Okay. B table. Let me see where the data is there. If not, data is not there. Let me see the data. Let me take you X table, guys. So X table, let's see how many records are there in this. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 are there. This like 5 records are there. So the structure, what is the structure of it? A structure is just a one column is there in this. If I'll run this one, drop command, what will happen, guys?
It will drop the table. X.
And yeah, go ahead.
It will drop the table X, and the table will be deleted permanently.
Permanently. Okay, so you cannot retrieve it back. The table will be deleted permanently from the database.
Yeah,
Okay.
it will be deleted permanently, and we can't roll back.
Yes. Okay. So if I'll run it, now table X is dropped. Now you run this, select a star from X, table or view does not exist. Object X does not exist. So this is the drop command. Got it, everyone? If you'll refresh it, you'll not able to see that entries. Now see, A is gone, X table is gone from this HR schema. Is it clear, guys? Any doubt in this drop command? Any doubt?
No.
Very easy. Okay. So next one will be alter command. Read this one. Alter will have alter command will take more time. It's easy only, but there are 4-5 scenarios we have to discuss in alter command. So it will take time. Okay, mostly we'll start DML command today. Read it, guys. Okay, guys. So what is this alter command? No? The alter command is a DDL command. We know that alter command is a DDL command. What is DDL command? DDL stands for data definition language. We have seen yesterday. DDL stands for data definition language, and alter is a part of your DDL statement, DDL definition. Okay. So DDL command. What is the DDL command? Create, drop, alter, truncate, and alter is a part of your DDL statement. So what is this alter command? What alter command will do? The alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table, to modify the structure of existing table in the database by adding, modifying, renaming or dropping columns in and constant. So what will happen when you use alter command? You can modify the structure of the table, existed table. Existed table means what? What is the existing table? Consider that employees table is a existing table. Select a star from employees. So this is the existing table, guys. This is the existing table. Okay, if you want to change, if you want to modify this table, no, if you want to modify the structure of this table, you will be able to modify the structure of the table. What is the structure of this table? DSC employees. I'm just giving you example. In real time, you will not able to modify because there is dependency with this table with the departments and other tables. Okay, because it's an inbuilt table in from the Oracle database, so you will not able to modify. But generally, if you have created a table, if you have created a new table or old table, if you want to modify the structure of the table, if you want to modify the structure of the table, you can modify the structure of the table by using alter command. What are the things you can do using alter command? You can add new columns to existing table. Consider that you have the employees table and approximately 11 columns are there. If you want to add new 4 columns, if you want to add 4 new columns, that also possible using alter command, guys. If you want to modify, the table structure, like you want to modify this varchar to number, or number to varchar to, or varchar to date. These are the possibilities are there using alter command. You can modify the structure of the table. You can rename the column name. You can rename the column name also using alter command. You can rename the table name as well. You can rename the table name as well, guys. You can rename the table name as well also. Okay. So that is the use of your alter command. You can, even though you can delete the columns from the existing table. These are the columns if you want to delete, drop. If these columns are of no use, you can drop the columns also. You can drop the column also. That is the use of your alter command. So what are the actions you can perform using alter command? You can add columns in existing table. All I'm talking about the existing table. You have created a table. You have already columns are there in that table. If you want to add new columns in the existing table, you can add new columns. If you want to rename a column name, that also possible. Or if you want to rename a table name, that also possible. If you want to delete a columns from the existing table, you can do that as well. If you want to change the data type and length of the columns, existing columns, that also possible. Data type and length, or you want to change it, you can do that also using alter command. Is it clear, guys, this part? What are the actions we can perform? 5 actions we can do it: add new columns, rename a column name or rename a table name, okay, delete a columns from existing table, change data type and length also possible using alter command. Okay, so these are the in existing table only. It's not like old table or existing table which is already available in the database. These are the rules will be applicable on those only. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So what we'll
Yes,
do, we'll create a table first. We'll create a table first, and then we'll do all this action. We'll perform all this action, guys. So if you'll refer your query part from where? So these are the queries are there in your document. So first we'll create a new table, okay, and then after that we'll go for the remaining 5 command whatever we have using alter command. So what table we are creating? We are going to create we are going to create employee table. Already we have employees table, so there is difference between this. If you want, you can make it 26 also here. 26 for better understanding. Employee 26 is the table name. What are the columns we have here, guys?
First name, last name, email, phone number. We have 5 columns, 6 columns.
6 columns are already there in this. We are going to create a table with 6 columns, okay, and then we'll see that. Now create a table. So table employee 26 is created. Employee 26 is created, guys. Guys, don't turn on videos and all. We are not here. Okay. So create table employees 26, employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary. Let's see the structure of this table. DSC employee. Let me copy it. Now see, what are the columns? What are the columns we have added? All are there. Employee ID. Now you see here, integer, if you have mentioned integer, what is by default, what what it is showing? Numbers
Number.
one. Okay. If you have mentioned as a varchar, what it is showing? Varchar2 only. Okay. Integer also numbers only. By default, it will take number. By default, varchar will take varchar2. So this is what we have. And now we are going to perform some of the alter command on this created table. This is the structure of this table, and we are going to see further. So what is the action? What are the actions we have? Just read this one, and then I'm going to explain you what is the meaning of how can you add one column, how can you add a number of columns, guys. Done, guys, done, reading done.
Yes, it is done.
Okay, so if you have read it properly, so we are going to add new columns in existing table. What is the existing table we have? Employee 26 is our existing table, guys. So in this table, what we are going to do? We are going to add new columns. We are going to add new columns. We'll show you one column, how to add one column. We'll show you how to add a number of columns. In interview, they will ask you. How they will ask you how to add new columns using alter command. Okay, so how to add new columns in existing table, I'll show you that. Using alter command, we can add n number of columns to a existing table. Using alter command, we can add n number of columns to a existing table. What is the syntax? If you want to add one single column, this is the syntax: alter table name, add column name, data type, size. So this is the column name. If which column name you want to add, you can mention here, and then column will be added. Alter table name, add column underscore name, data type, size. Okay. Next one, if you want to add n number of columns, then this is the syntax: alter table name, add inside the bracket you have to mention n number of columns. Whatever the columns you want to add, you have to mention inside the columns. Column name 1, data type size, comma, column name 2, data type size, okay, column name 3, data type size. So n number of columns you can add using this syntax. If you want to add one columns, you can use this syntax. Now I'll show you examples. How can we do in like we have the existing table where like we have 6 columns are there. Already we have 6 columns are there. Now we'll show you the example how we are going to add single column as well as multiple column. So now if you'll see here, what we are going to do here using this one, guys.
We are going to alter the table
Yeah, alter the table.
We are going to add.
We are going to
and adding some
Address.
columns.
alter
Address
table.
column.
So we are going to add address column. Do we have address column in this? Do we have address column?
No.
Structure.
So we are going to add new column by name address. What is the data type?
Varchar.
And then size is 100. Okay.
Integer.
So the moment if I'll run, one column will be added to this table. Address column will be added to this table. Now see what happened. Okay, table.
Employee
Change the table
26.
name.
Employee 26.
Change the table
26 is the
name.
table name.
26. Employees 26.
Yeah. Now see, table employee altered. Table employee altered. Now if I'll see the structure, so address column will be added. Now see, in the last it will be added. So it will come in the last. It will not come in between and all. But whatever the column you will add, it will come in last. So now earlier we were having 6 columns. Now we have 7 columns, guys. Okay. So now if I want to add multiple columns, what will happen using this query, guys?
We can add address, city, pin code.
Address, home, city, pin code.
We have to mention within the brackets. We can whatever columns we need to add, we have to add it within the brackets only.
Yeah, if you are adding more than one column, no, then you have to mention inside the small bracket. Okay. Now I'm adding 3 columns, new 3 columns. Address, home, city, pin code. So data type also given for all these things. And then the moment if I'll run, the 3 columns will be added to this employee 26 table. Employee 26 table, guys. The moment if I'll run, these 3 columns will be added to employee 26. Now it is having 7 columns. The moment I will run, 3 more columns will be added by name, address underscore home, city, pin code, and it will become 10 columns. And it's a permanently, it will be saved, guys. It is not temporary, it will be saved permanently in this table. Now see, table employee altered. If I'll see the structure of the table, so how many columns we are expecting now, guys?
10.
10 columns.
Yes.
Are we getting 10 columns, guys?
Address, city, and pin code. Yes.
So these three columns recently we have added in the last query. This one second last query, address was added. So total 4 new columns we have added to existing table. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is how you can add the columns. Any doubt in this? Anyone did not understand? Tell me. I'll explain it again. Anyone did not understand? Raise your hand. Okay, so I'm expecting your silent. You everyone got it. It's easy only. There is no rocket science in this. Okay, now how to drop columns from a table. Okay, we have added 4 new columns. We have, if you want to drop any of the column, how can we do? Just read this one. Single column, multiple columns also we can drop it. Read this one. It's easy only. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so what we are going to do, guys? Can you explain me what we are going to do here?
We are just going to remove the columns from the table. If we can using the drop command, we can delete either one column or more than one columns using this command.
Alter and drop combinations.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. So just a second, guys. Okay, so now drop columns from a table. Okay, so using alter command, we can delete columns also from a table, guys. Using alter command, we can delete columns also from a table. Using alter command, we can delete columns also from a table. What is the syntax? If you want to delete or drop single column, this is the syntax. If you want to drop one column, then this is the syntax. If you want to drop multiple columns, then this will be the syntax. Okay, guys, one more thing. This Saturday, I'm going to ask me like questions, whatever will be able to complete till Friday, no, coming Friday class. So Saturday, be prepared. I'm going to each Saturday, we will have test for 10 to 15 minutes. Individual one by one person, I'm going to ask. Okay, one by one person, I'm going to ask all whatever the topics we are going to complete. It's not like I'll be only explaining the things and then you will be not doing anything. So you have to learn it and you have to explain it properly. If I'll say that how to add columns using alter command, you have to explain it properly with all syntax, proper syntax. So be prepared and give test on this Saturday. Each and every Saturday, we'll have for 15-minute test so that we'll see that how much you people are learning the things. Okay. So if any individual like support is needed, that also will check. But prepare till Friday, whatever will complete, you have to prepare, and Saturday you have to explain me. Okay, guys. So if you want to drop single column, then you have to use this one, alter table name, drop column name, alter table name, drop column is the keyword. Column is the keyword. One thing are you observing, guys? One thing are you observing? This is common. All places of alter command, no? This alter table name is common, guys. You don't have to remember for each and every this thing. Only thing is that when we are adding, you have to mention add. When you are dropping column, you have to mention drop. Further also, the same thing only. This is same only. All the places, this 3 letters are same only. Okay. So you don't have to remember for each point. So you half of the work is done for the alter command. Alter table name, drop column, column name. You just have to mention the column name. But if you'll observe, if you want to drop multiple columns, if you want to drop multiple columns, then what you have to do? Alter table name, drop, open the bracket, mention whatever column you want to drop. N number of column you can mention, whatever it will be there in a table. But one thing if you'll observe here, what is the difference between this and this, guys?
Column keyword is not.
One keyword is missing.
So when you are dropping column, when you are dropping single column, you have to mention column keyword. But if you are dropping multiple columns, then you don't have to mention column keyword, guys. Okay. And inside the bracket, you have to mention multiple column. Now we'll see that whatever the query we have from the whatever table we have created in that only. See, people will say that how will you able to complete the syllabus in 35 days, 40 days only. So like this only will be able to complete syllabus because we have written the query and then we are not writing queries. It will take time. Error will come, then rectify the error. So it will come. But when we'll have the written query, ready-made query, then it will not take more time. Group discussion, same group it will happen. After next week class, no, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, when I'll take classes, Monday onwards, your group discussion will start. Now see, second is the 31st, first, second, your class will be there. And then third onwards, your group discussion will start. Okay, third onwards, your group discussion will start. Once you'll finish the whatever the syllabus we have done, then I'll pull you into the job search group. Once we'll complete full SQL, no, I'll pull you into the job search group. There you'll like many people who are attending interview, they will share you the questions and all. Discussion will happen there also. For each and every batch, we are adding whatever the people they are active now. Those people will be added, and then there you will be get added, and many people they will help you there. And we all 3 people will help you to get the job. Just your we need your effort to get you a job. Okay, so which column you want to drop, guys? Out of this 10 columns, which column you want to drop?
Address home.
Address home. Address home is not required, correct? So mention here address home. So address home will be deleted. Okay, address, the moment you will run this query, address home will be deleted from this table. Now,
Employee 26, sir.
sorry?
Employee 26, sir.
Employee.
Table name.
Now see table employee 26 is altered. Now see the structure of this one. DSC. What will happen, guys? This will go off.
Yes.
Now it's gone. Address home is gone. Previously address home was there. Now it's gone. Now what will happen if I'll run this one? Which column you want to mention here in the multiple column drop?
Last 2 columns.
City phone pin code is fine.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen if I'll run this query?
It will be deleted.
It will be
City
deleted.
and
What?
pin code is deleted.
These 2 columns will be deleted. City code and city and pin code columns will be deleted.
Yeah, so you have to tell properly. City, if you run this alter command, drop, alter and drop combination, then city and pin code will be deleted from employee 26 table. Okay. Try to elaborate your answer. How much you will elaborate your answer, that much impression you will leave on the interviewer. Okay. So try to elaborate whatever you are saying. Don't use shortcut. Use long cut. You have to eat interviewer time also. Okay. So when you will give interview, like it's not like very fast. Okay, it will be deleted. City and pin code will be deleted. That's all. 1 second work is done. But if you will take time using alter and drop command, we can delete these two columns which exist in the employee 26 table. If we'll use this combination, city and pin code columns will be deleted from employees 26 table, and it will not able to retrieve it back. See how much time, 1 minute time it has taken. So if you'll eat more time for the interviewer, so your question number of question will come down. If you'll finish fast, they may ask you 20 questions, but if you'll go slowly, you'll give your answer properly also, as well as they may ask you 10 question only. So they'll be able to judge you from the 10 question only. Okay, so note down somewhere this point, or keep in mind this point. Class by class, I'll give you the guru mantra also, so that you can keep these things with your lifestyle, and then it will be good for future. Okay, if I'll run this, these two columns will be deleted from employee 26. Now see what happened.
Employee 26.
Okay, now two columns are deleted. See the structure now. Are you able to find city and pin code?
No.
Okay.
Only that.
Any doubt, guys? Any doubt in alter drop? Any doubt in this one?
No. No. Sir.
All clear, easy?
Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, then read this one. Two things. Renaming a column. If you want to rename a column name, then how to rename a column name? If you want to rename a table name, how can we do that?
Sir, here I have a doubt, sir.
Done, guys? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
what it will do, guys? Renaming a column, what it will do?
Just rename the column name.
Column.
Okay, so whatever the existing column name is there, if you want to rename the column name, we can rename the column name. Like if we have phone number here, where is the phone number? Phone number. If you want to change it to mobile number, the name, if you want to change phone number to mobile number, that also possible here. Okay. If you want to change salary to employee salary, that also possible. Last name, L name or F name, whatever name you want to change it, you can change it according to your use. Okay. So using alter command, we can rename a column name, guys. Using alter command, we can rename a column name. Using alter command, we can rename a column name. Rename means renaming, guys. We are going to give another name. Okay. What is the syntax? Alter table name. This up to here, it's a common for all the alter command. Then rename keyword will come. column keyword will come, guys. Old column name to new column name. Okay, remember this point. Rename column, old column name to new column name. At a time, one column name only you will be able to rename it. You cannot rename multiple columns at a time. So only one column at a time. Rename column, old column name to new column name. If you'll observe from past this one also, like when we mention single column, so it's column keyword are coming. Here also single column keyword are coming. Two place you have to use column keyword. So remember this part. People used to forget this column only, column keyword only. Rename column, old column name to new column name. Okay. So now we'll show you how to rename it, guys. So I have uploaded the videos and all to the drive as well as document also. So what I'll do for practice purpose, I'll give you access for this one, batch 26. Okay, so let me see how much document we have here. Okay, many are there. Okay, so many are there. Up to functions, it will be there. What I'll do, I'll tell Bisal to give access for this, and I have uploaded the whatever the recordings were there till yesterday. Today recording also I'll upload, and then we'll share you the things. You do practice, okay? You do practice and then start preparing it, okay? Next one will be we are going to rename a column name, guys. Now see, do we have pin code here in our structure? No, we don't have pin code column. So which column you want to rename, guys?
Phone number.
Phone number to
Mobile number.
phone number to mobile number. Mobile, something like this. Okay, mobile number. Now alter table name, rename column, phone number, old column name. What is the old column name? Old column name is phone number,
Phone number.
and new column name is mobile number.
Mobile number.
So if you run, what will happen? If you run, what will happen?
While
26.
In employee
Employee
26, the phone number, it will change to mobile number because we use alter
Alter command.
rename command.
Yeah, rename column we are using.
Column. Yes.
So phone number will change to mobile number. Good. Okay. Now if you run it, now see table employee 26 altered. Now see the structure. Can you see, guys? Earlier it was phone number. Now it's changed to mobile number. So remaining also you can you can change it. Okay. Next one
Here I
is,
have a doubt.
yeah, tell me.
If you want to change more than one columns at a time, is it possible to rename it, sir?
Sorry.
Like in delete for drop, if you use a drop command means where we can delete more than one column at a time. Like can we do for the can we do rename for this more if you want to rename more than one columns?
So that's what I told you, that if you want to rename more than one column, it's not possible. One column at a time.
Okay, sir.
One column at a time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So next one is that. Any doubt? Any other doubt, guys? Renaming a column? Anyone else?
No.
Everyone will give you the access. No worries, because I know like it's a month end. People will struggle with to pay the fees. So no worries. Till Friday you will have all access. Till Friday you will have all access for the drive. Okay, and then Saturday onwards we will not give you the access for like or drive and all. And Friday onwards the classes will go on to the today onward the classes will be uploaded into the drive. So do practice. Okay, and then give me mock on Saturday. Okay. So next one is renaming a tables in a database. If you want to rename a table name, if you want to rename a table name in a database, that also possible. So what is the table name we have here? Employee 26, guys. Employee 26. If you want to rename this table name, if you want to rename this table name to new table name, that also possible using alter command. Okay, and it will be permanently saved with the new name, guys. It will be permanently saved with the new name. How can you do that? Using alter command, we can rename a table name also. Alter table name, rename to new table name. Alter table name, employee 26, rename to new table name. Whatever the name you want to mention, you can mention here. This is one method. Another method is this also. Second method is this one, rename old table name to new table name. You don't have to mention the alter command in the second syntax. You just have to rename old table name to new table name. But this is the alter command, alter table name, rename to new table name. Here, rename to is the keyword, guys. Rename and to is the keyword. Remember this one. Rename to is the keyword. Okay. So let's see how can we change the table name. Now see here, we have employee 26, correct? So what name you want to give this one? EMP 26 can I give?
Yes.
Or employee new, that's also fine. Later also we'll change it. Now if you'll run it, what will happen, guys?
Employee name will change.
The table name will be changed from employee 26 to employee underscore new.
Employee table will change.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, so the moment I run this one, the table name altered. Now see the structure of this table. What it is coming, guys? Object employee 26 does not exist. Why it is showing like this?
Because
we
it's
have
we have
changed the-
renamed.
Because now the table name is changed and it is changed to employee new.
Yeah, so new table name, we have employee new. Now see, all columns will belongs to employee new. Now you want to change from employee new to, consider that I want to change to EMP 26. What will happen in this case?
While we running this query, then employee underscore new is renamed by employee 26.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, now you run and then you will get the output. So now this table does not exist. Employee new does not exist. Now new table is EMP 26. Employee 26. Okay. So this is what we have. Another one is rename. Where is the rename query? Old table name to new table name. Okay, let's do that. Rename. What is the table name? EMP 26 to. Let's make it employee 26 only. Old name only. Okay. Can we do that? Can we do this, guys?
Yes, sir, employee spelling mistake is just.
Now fine. Now table renamed, guys. Now you run this, it will not work. Object does not exist. Now your table name is this one. Got it? Everyone got it? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Please ask. I'll be happy if you'll ask.
The last one I can't understand. Can you tell once again, sir?
See, there are two methods. There are two methods. If you want to change the table name, guys, if you want to change the table name, that also possible using alter command. So first syntax is alter table name, rename to new table name. You got this one?
Yes, sir.
So second method is you can use this query also to change the to rename that new table name. You can use this query also to rename old table name to new table name. So what is this? Rename old table name to new table name. What is the syntax we have? Old table name to new table name. What is the old table name we have? Rename, and old table name is employee 26 to what new name you want to give? EMP 26.
Yes.
So it will be done. Now table renamed. Table renamed, guys. Now if you run, it will not work out. So you have to use new name. New name is what? EMP 26. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Jay.
Yeah, Jay.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, in the same way, can we use the drop command without using all the table?
No, no, no. Without using. This is the other things, guys. This is not belong to alter. I just gave you example for this one, but drop command it will not work on.
Means
Mention alter command one.
by using drop command, we can delete a single column from by using syntax like from table.
Alter
Then
and drop you have to use it.
okay. Without alter, we cannot delete single column.
No, no, you cannot do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So next one is if you want to modify the data type and size length of the column. So this is the syntax. Read it. Then we'll give you 2-minute break. Okay. I know many people will be blocked. So just focus this last query. Then we'll give you 2-3 minute break. 9:30 till 9:30 we'll have the class. Okay. I want to complete insert command, guys, up to insert command, so that you can create new table. You can perform all alter, drop, truncate, all these things, and you can insert the data also in a new table. So that's what the my target is for today. Delete and update command we'll see in the Friday class. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Now modifying data type and size. If using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table, multiple columns, data type and size. You can modify. Alter, how can you do that? If you want to change the data type, if you want to change number to varchar 2, that also possible using alter command. If you want to change varchar to number, varchar data type to number data type, that also possible using alter command. So what is the syntax? Alter table name, modify the keyword, guys. Modify, alter table name, modify column 1, column type, column 2, column type, column and column type. Okay, so you have to mention the data type also. Okay, now let me see if we have anything.
Hello.
Yeah.
So we can modify data type and size also.
Yeah, size
Size
also.
means 20, 25.
20 to 30, 50, 60, 100, 200, you can modify it.
Okay.
Now you see first name. First name, how much is the length?
First
20.
name 20 is the
20.
length.
80.
How much we
20.
are changing?
50.
We are changing to 50.
50. Okay. So if you run it, what will happen? This 20 will become 50. This 20 will become
The employee table name should be changed, sir.
yeah. Okay. The moment you will run this one, this 20 will become 50. It will be updated as 50. So table employee altered. Now see the structure. Can you see, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to change to number, that also possible. Okay, number. Okay, so now you see 1 to 38 only it will take. As I told you in the very first class, more than 38 it will not take. So you have to limit the value. First name, number. Now see table EMP altered. Now see varchar 2 will change to number. Can you see?
Yes.
So mobile number we have given varchar 2. If you want to change it to number, that also possible here. Number, but it should be less than 38. The table employee altered. Now see the structure. Now see mobile number. Earlier it was varchar. Earlier it was varchar. Now it's a number. Okay. This is how you can do it. You can do multiple columns also at a time. Now salary we have mentioned as a, where is the salary? Salary is a number. Salary as a number. Now if you want to change it to varchar 2, that also possible. Address we have mentioned as a varchar 2 only. If you want to change it to 200, that also possible. So what are the changes we are going to do? Salary, we are changing from number to varchar 2, and address we are changing from 100 to 200.
200.
Now table EMP 26 altered. Now see the structure. So salary, earlier it was number, now it's changed to number varchar 200, and address it was 200 and now it's the 200. Any doubt in this, guys? Easy? It is easy, guys. Many 5 things are there. That's why you
Yes.
feel
Yes.
a little bit more time. But it's all easy only. All queries are easy only. Remember will be challenging. Remembering all points will be challenging. But you can do it. It's not rocket science. It's very easy. Okay. So this is how. Just take 2-3 minute break. We'll start at or shall I continue? Or you want 2-3 minute break?
Continue, sir.
Continue.
Continue, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So read this one, truncate command. Now easy only, no worries in that. Okay, guys. So completed, finished.
Yes.
So what is this? Can anyone explain?
Truncate command is to delete all the rows, sir. Instead of columns, it will delete all the rows. Once if it is deleted, the structure will be remain in the same. Like it will be changed. Only that data will be deleted, but the structure will be same. And it is similar to the delete statement only. Then it seems it's faster and use few lines of the code, but I'm not understanding what is the last line. It seems. That's it,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, perfect. So truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Consider that one table contains 10 millions of record. One table contains 10 millions of record, and it will occupy some, consider 5 MB of memory space or 100 MB of memory space it's taking from the database. So what it will do, if you do truncate, so what it will do, truncate command will empty the table. Consider that you have a table. Okay, you have a table, employees table you have. You have employees table. So consider these are the data are there, and this is the structure: employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date. These are all a structure. This is called as a structure, columns, names, and all a structure. But what is the data? These are the datas are there. These are the datas are there. If you use truncate command, no, it will delete full table data. Full table data it will delete, but table structure will remain same. Table structure will remain same. Table structure will be not deleted, but table data will be deleted. Consider that this table is having 10 million recorded there, and 100 MB of memory space it is taking from the database. So what will happen? The moment you will delete all the rows, no, that 100 MB memory space will be freed up. Okay. So that is the secondary thing. Major things, if in interview, if they will ask you, what is truncate command? You have to tell that if we'll use truncate command, we can delete all the data from the table, but table structure will remain same. Using truncate command, table data will be deleted, but table structure will remain same. That's all you have to explain in the interview. And truncate table name is the syntax to truncate the table. So by the name itself is saying that truncate. The moment you will run truncate command, table data will be deleted, but table structure will remain same. Truncate command deletes all the data from the table, but table structure will remain same. Truncate table is similar to delete statement with no where clause. Okay, so we'll see that what is delete statement. As of now, you can keep in mind we have similar kind of things. Truncate and delete is similar, but truncate will not support where condition, where delete will support where condition. That's all. We are going to learn this on Friday class. Truncate table is similar to delete a statement with a no where clause. Truncate table is faster and uses few lines of code. Only one line of code, correct? So truncate command is faster. Truncate command is faster, guys. Truncate command is faster. You can say truncate command is faster. This will be perfect. This command, truncate command is faster. Okay. So the moment you will run truncate, it will delete whole table data faster compared to delete command. So that will comparison will learn in the Friday session. But as of now, when you use truncate command, table data will be deleted, but a structure will remain same. So I'll show you some of the table. Let me find out if we have any table with the data. So we have Y table is there. Okay. Select star from Y. Now let's see how many records are there in this. So we have 5 records are there in this table Y. 5 records are there in table Y. What will happen if I'll do truncate to this table, guys?
If we use the truncate command, then
What
all
is-
data will be deleted.
Yes.
Truncate table name.
Structure remains same.
Structure will remain same. So what is this structure? DSCY. So table structure also we'll see. So this is the table structure, guys, for this one. Let me brush it out. So table structure is this one. This structure will remain same, but data will be deleted. This data will be deleted, but table structure will remain same. If you the moment you will run this query, table structure will be same, but table data will be deleted. Now see, truncate y, truncate table y truncated. Now see the data. Can we see the data, guys? It's gone.
Yes.
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 But see the structure of the table. It's still there, correct? Just brush it out and then see the table structure remains same. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we'll do, your DDL command is over, guys. These are the some of the questions are there. You answer, you can answer from whatever we have learned from here, there only you can give all the answers. It's all direct only. Okay. So next one we'll learn DML command, how to insert data into a newly created table. So we'll learn that one and then we'll close the session. I also got tired. So this is the DML command. We are going to learn DML command now. So in DML command, we are going to learn insert commands. What are the command we have in a DML command? Insert, update, delete. Any doubt in truncate command? Sorry, I forgot to ask.
Yeah, Jay, I have a question. In the
Okay.
previous slide, I have seen in the last question, we have a question called rollback. Rollback.
Rollback. Yeah.
We'll
I think
learn
we
in
haven't came.
update and delete session. When we'll take update and delete, no? That time I'll tell you.
Yeah, I think we
ETL
haven't came
command
up.
are auto committed. So commit and rollback will be not applicable here. But in DML command, we have to use that one.
Okay.
So we are going to learn that one in here only. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't worry, 100% syllabus will be covered with proper explanation and all these things. I know like what are the things are important and what are the things is not important. Okay. Just focus whatever I'm teaching, learn full syllabus and ask your doubt. How much you will ask doubt, that much I'll feel good, as well as it will be good learning for me also. If I'll be not knowing anything, I'll also update my knowledge. You will also update your knowledge. Others also will update their knowledge. So ask many questions. Okay. Don't
Sure.
hesitate to ask more questions. Okay, so what is DML command? What is DML command? In DML command, we have insert, update, and delete. Insert, update, and delete. In DML command, we will have insert, update, and delete, guys. So today we are going to learn insert only. How to insert the data. So these are the topics what we are going to cover. Working example of insert, update, and delete command. Difference between truncate and delete command, very, very important for interview perspective. Difference between truncate, delete command and all. So this part we'll discuss on Friday. Okay. So now we'll go for what is DML command? DML stands for data manipulation language. DML stands for data manipulation language. List of DML commands are insert, update, and delete. List of DML commands are insert, update, and delete. In DML command are not auto committed command, guys. This is very important for the part of DML command. DML command are not auto committed. If you want to save it, you have to run commit command. If you want to do rollback, you have to do rollback. That we'll discuss on Friday. Don't be confused with that. Everything we cannot cover today. So read this one. Insert command will finish and then we'll close the session. Saturday, Sunday, 2-hour session, guys. Done, guys? Okay. So if you want to insert data into the existing table, you have created a table using create command. Now, if you want to insert data using insert command, there are two ways. Okay, there are two ways you can insert the data. If you want to insert data for all the columns, then you can use the first syntax. If you want to insert data for all the columns, then you can use this first syntax. If you want to insert limited column values, then you can use second syntax. I'm going to explain on the Friday also this part, but as of now you understand that if you want to insert data using first syntax, if you want to insert all the columns data, then you can use in the first syntax. If you want to insert limited column values only, then you can use second syntax. What is the meaning of this? I'll tell you. Let me create a table first. I got tired. Okay, now we are going to create a table called person, where PID, first name, last name, country, city is there. So 5 columns are there. So the moment you will run, the table will be created. And now the first syntax, what it is saying, it is saying that if you want to insert all the columns value, then you don't have to mention the column name. You can directly insert all the values. If you want to insert all the columns value, you don't have to mention the column names in this case. So you, without mentioning column name also, how many values we are inserting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 columns we have here, and 5 columns we are inserting data. So you don't have to mention the column name like this. You can insert the data. Now if I'll run it, the one row inserted. Now see the value of it. Select a star from persons. So one row inserted. Clear, guys? So what you understood, like what modification you want in this one? Like this, if you'll mention the column name also, it is fine. It is not a problem, but without column name also it will work. If you'll mention the column name, all column name also, that is fine. If you'll not mention all the column name, in case if you're inserting all column value, in that case you don't have to mention the column name. If you mention, that is also fine, no worries. But if you don't mention also, that is fine. Now one row inserted. You see the data, second value also will be inserted. Like this, you can insert all 5 values. So you can mention the column name, or you don't mention the column name. If you are inserting all the values, that is fine. So you have inserted 5 record. 5 record we have inserted. Now coming back to the second syntax. If you want to insert limited column values, means like out of 5 columns, if you want to insert 3 columns value only, then in that case you have to mention the what are the columns, which column you want to insert the value. You have to mention the column name. Same way, if you'll see here in this one, if you'll see here, first name, last name, country. So total how many columns we have? 5 columns. But we are inserting how many values? We are inserting 3 values. So in this case, you have to mention the column name. If you not mention, then it will throw error. This is the major thing. This is the important part, guys. Generally, they will not ask you how to insert data and all in interview, but remember it. Now one row inserted. Now see 6 record inserted. Whatever the column we have missed, it will be updated with null values. So guys, this is what you have. You can, sorry. you can take out, you can save this one and try to insert values. I'm going to explain you again on the Friday class. So DML command from starting will explain it again so that you may not miss or you may not forget it. But DDL command, you make it proper. Okay. I'm not going to explain you again, but you can ask your doubt. No worries in that case. Okay. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Any question you want to ask? Anyone? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, yes, you
Yes,
are.
sir. Yes. Sir.
Any question, guys?
No.
Till now,
Okay.
no question.
So I also got tired. Let's close the class. Okay. And then we'll
Okay.
meet Friday. Friday evening, 8 to 9:30. Saturday, Sunday, 2 hours class. So after 1 week, I'll have more energy. So don't worry on that. Okay. So today, like I was not feeling well. So okay, guys. So let's disconnect and then we'll meet on Friday. Okay. I'll share you the drive access. You can refer the document and then start practicing it. Whatever the document we have, we'll upload the session and you can take the document and you can start practicing. Remember all the points. Saturday, I'm going to ask the question. Till Friday, you will have access to the drive. After Friday, all access will be removed. Whoever paid fees, for them only it will be there. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
And
Bye.
I'll ask Venkatesh to take one doubt clearance session on coming maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. So if you'll do practice tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Venkatesh will help you to clear your doubt if you'll have any doubt. So don't keep your doubt. Whatever the doubt will be there, you can post in the group, as well as one session will be taken by the Venkatesh. He'll help you to clear your all doubt. Whatever the doubt while practicing, if you'll get, he will clear all the doubt. Bye everyone. Take care.
Bye. Take care. Good night.
Good night.
Good, sir. Thank you.
Good night. Thank you for joining.
Good night.
Bye.